Hey YouTube, it's your boy Odane coming to you again with another video. This is an update video. Unfortunately, it's not a stunt video. I just want to let you guys know that I have a new cycle to get very soon. Mark called me about 2 days ago saying he have a link on a cycle that I've been wanting for a while now, and it's finally here. So now I'm gonna go to the bank and collect some money so I can pay for it and then receive the cycle, and it's gonna be mine soon. So when we reach at Mark repair shop, I'll let you guys see when I'm receiving the bicycle and what it's look like and so forth. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So stay tuned. When we reach at the shop, we'll see what's up. Okay? Hey YouTube, another update. We have successfully have the cash. It's right here. It's right here with me, right there. So we're gonna take the cash. We're gonna take the cash out. We're gonna take the cash out and put it in this bag. We're gonna take the cash out and put it in this brown bag right here. So when we reach at Mark, we don't have to have any struggle. So the cash is in this brown bag. So when we reach at Mark, we're just gonna give him the bag with the cash. We're gonna give him the bag with the cash and just receive the bicycle, and then he can check it after, and then we'll see how it goes, and I'll let you know how the bicycle turns out. Hey YouTube, we are here with another update on the new cycle we are about to receive at Mark repair shop. So I just reached Mark repair shop. I just come out of a taxi and reached Mark repair shop, and we are here to receive the new cycle, and I'm telling you, it looks very promising and stuff. So yeah, I don't want to show you as yet because it maybe ruin the surprise, but trust me, it's looking very promising and it's looking like my style. So yeah, the rain is even drizzling as I just reached. So we're gonna take it down and check it out and see the looks of it and the height and so forth, if it's really my style, because I like the frame, I like the color, it's not too bad. So we're gonna check it out and see what we maybe have to change on it and stuff. So yeah, let's see. But first we have to give Mark the cabbage, of the pay Mark the cabbage and let him know what's up. So yeah. Oh Mark, the general. Yeah man, look up pay the cabbage, you see me? Nah, really show them cycle, you see it? Nah, really show them, man. Just say a preview, right? Yeah man, give Mark forward, man, pay the look of cabbage. Pay Mark the look of cabbage, you know what I mean? Can't really make nobody so I go on and see it. Yeah man, yeah. Yeah man, cabbage that, you see me? Yeah man, go and check on that and let me know what is what. Yeah man. Anyway viewers, yeah man, the cycle is looking very promising, looking like my style. Yeah man, like the rims them, like the fork and the color, the seat very nice, angle. Yeah man. Alright, we'll take it down and see what I go on feet there, you see me? Alright Mark, take it down there for me, come on. Some help with that. Alright. Yeah, man, put her down there. Yeah, man, lean her up there for me. Lean her up for me. Yeah, man. So viewers, as you just see, the new cycle. Hey YouTube, next day same video. We're here with the new cycle and we actually have it right now, and I'm looking at it. You might see it in the video when I was receiving it from Mark. You might see it in that video, but now we're gonna give you a step-by-step review on the cycle. So let's observe it right now. So let's observe it. It's a 26-inch mountain bicycle. And it actually have a stunt stem
as some people would call it here, and have a butterfly angle. Yeah, the usual stuff. Double wall rims, and it actually have, what catch my interest is this chain tensioner right here, chain tensioner in the back. That actually came with it, and you know, and so forth. And the fork is, I don't know what kind of fork is this. This fork look like it can hold a 29-inch rim or bigger, something like that. Yeah. So it's all about the looks, you know. The frame is actually my style. I like the slash right there. Actually, I like the slash right there. Yeah, I think it give you a better indo. I might demonstrate that and let you guys see how of a great peak it give you when you're actually rolling into a indo, or some people call it a stoppy. So I'll give a preview on that, you know. And it come with H brakes right here. Mark actually installed the brakes for me. H brakes at the back, H brakes at the front. And I noticed that one of the lever break from off the angle. So it actually, it's the red lever is the original lever on it. So it's just that Mark changed the lever itself right here. Actually squeeze part on the lever, Mark changed right there, you know. And I tweak it up and put some of my things on it. I actually put the GoPro mount on the handle right there, and I put some valve light, on it, some colored, multicolored valve light on it right there, and I put two red lights at the back right here, two rubber red lights at the back right there. So yeah, this bicycle, yeah viewers, this bicycle is looking very promising, and I think it would do good for me. All I have to do is just put in the work, put in some practice, and get tricks done. And as you can see, I don't have any pegs on it. I would have to get some pegs to put on it, 4 pegs. Yes viewers, I realize the axle is different from the regular type of axles. This axle is actually bigger in size, so I would have to get 2 pairs of peg, drill them out, and then put it on the axle and use the nut itself to tighten on the pegs on the axle. So yeah, that axle looks very stronger than the regular axle. Yeah. So yeah, that's the new bicycle that I received, and we're just gonna work on more tricks, you know, and stuff. So stay tuned for that. And as you can see, I'm a lover for bicycle, and this is one of the bicycles I've been looking forward to get for a long time now, and I finally have it. So I hope that I get more tricks done on it, and I improve much more on this bicycle than I am on the 20-inch bicycle. So yeah, if you want to see more videos in the future with this bicycle, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So viewers, hope that everything goes how I want it to and stuff. I just need 2 pairs of peg, 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and just practice, get some more tricks done, you see me, and put out there in videos for you guys to get. So yeah, that's it. That's the new cycle I've received yesterday from Mark. Yeah, so peace.